In this video, I'll show you how to customize your Roblox profile. Now to do this, you need to install something called Pro. It's really simple, just head over to the Chrome store and add it to your Chrome. Don't worry, this is completely safe. It has 2 million users, a really good rating, and I've used it a lot. Now simply add it to your account, come over here and verify your account. You'll have a verify button right here. It's really easy, just press verify and it's gonna send you over to this one. Press play and then you'll get a code. Now once you're verified, you want to head over to your profile. In here, click edit theme. And once you do this, you can change your theme. Now keep in mind, only other players who also use the Pro will be able to see this. Now what you can do is simply choose any of these. So let's say you choose this one. You can now see my background has been changed to this. And you can change the opacity or the blur, whichever you want. So let's say you choose this one and you do like this, save theme, and then head over to your profile. As you come over here, you'll see it now looks like this. This looks much better than the normal one. So that's basically how this one works. Now remember, as I said before, only other players using this one can see it, and obviously yourself as well. Now if you want the animated ones, you have to upgrade, but you can use all the default ones with the free version. Now that's basically how it works, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.